The Supreme Court heard a matter relating to contempt petitions against the Jammu and Kashmir administration. So during the hearing, the Supreme Court asked the centre if any part of Jammu and Kashmir can get 4G internet. Government has to be respond by August 11th. The internet services in various parts of Jammu and Kashmir stands restricted at 2G internet speed till August 19. As on date, a bench of the Justice N.V. Ramana, R. Subhash Reddy and B.R. Gavai heard the matter and asked a Solicitor General Tushar Mehta, appearing on behalf of the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir, whether it was possible to restore 4G internet services in some areas. In the previous hearings, Senior Advocate Huzaifa Ahmadi had informed top court that Lieutenant Governor was of the opinion that 4G internet services should be restored in the region. The Supreme Court, while hearing a contempt petitions against the Jammu and Kashmir administration, sought to know from the Solicitor General Tushar Mehta if fast-speed internet service can be restored in any part of Jammu and Kashmir. The internet speed in many parts of the region stand restricted at 2G speed and as on date. Solicitor General Tushar Mehta, who represented the centre today, told the court that he would have to give instructions as regards the questions of possibility of restoration of 4G internet in the region. As such, the bench of Justices N.V. Ramana, R. Subhash Reddy and B.R. Gavai adjourned the hearing in the case till August 11th. The top court clarified that the centre replies it will decide on the contempt, even though Mehta insisted that there was no contempt and the May 11 order of the top court was complied with. On July 28, a Justice N.V. Ramana-led bench had asked the centre to verify if Jammu and Kashmir's administration has sent any communication to the Ministry of Home Affairs for restoring 4G mobile internet services in the Union Territory. This fact was brought to the top court's attention by the petitioner, NGO Foundation for Media Professionals, in an affidavit filed in response to the centre's reply on the position. Senior Advocate Huzaifa Ahmadi stated that apart from J&K, Lieutenant Governor G.C. Murmu, even Chief Interlocutor Ram Madhav had asked for restoration of 4G internet connectivity. The senior lawyer argued that since the centre had maintained in its reply that the final call on the matter would be taken by the government of Jammu and Kashmir, the statement were of importance. It was submitted that on July 26, L.G. Murmu said that he was not worried about how people would use the high-speed internet, as Pakistan would continue to spread propaganda irrespective of the internet speed. The petitioner had alleged contempt of the top court's 11th May order, claiming that centre had not reviewed the 4G restrictions as no order had been placed in the public domain. The centre had filed an affidavit in July claiming that it was not possible to restore 4G services for the present but left it to the UT administration to decide. The NGO sought restoration of high-speed 4G internet services, saying patients, doctors and the general public were unable to assess the latest information, guidelines, advisories and restrictions about COVID-19 pandemic because of the restrictions. It pointed out slow internet speed makes telemedicines or online consultations impossible. The petitioners are presented by Senior Advocate Huzaifa Ahmadi with Advocates Shadan Farasat, Apar Gupta, Vrinda Bhandari and Devdatta Mukhopadhyay. Bureau Report.